Grand Rising, guys. It's a beautiful day today. Today is Friday the 12th. It's been hard keep up with dates lately. I don't know why. I just need a schedule. My girlfriend says I should get on a schedule. I really do need a schedule. I'm gonna get on a schedule. Anyways, today's a big day. If you guys have been following the week before, it was a lead up until today. It was just more of like a week in my life, a week as an artist or whatever you want to call it. Spent some days in Austin. Went to my friend's exhibition, which is yesterday for me, but a week for you guys. Yeah, something like that. Went to a friend's exhibition. Oh, it was so amazing. Really cool week. If you guys want to watch that video, it'll be in the description below, or you can just like watch it backwards. I don't know, whatever. Today's a really dope and big day because it's exhibition day. So for those of you who don't know, I entered the Lawndale's art show and I got accepted. Over 1,000 people that uploaded their artwork. Only 105 artists was selected. No, 93 artists. 93 artists were selected. Yeah, that's a pretty big deal. And they say Lawndale's a really big thing to be in. Like, it's really big for your career and stuff. So, I'm really excited about that. It'll be my first time in this type of environment. And if you guys are artists, it'd be cool for you to watch it. Like a cool experience for both of us. Like on a scale of 1 through 10, if you ask me how nervous I am right now, I say like a 6 because like I feel like I don't know what to expect. It's my first time actually applying or entering for an exhibition. So, and then ironically, it's a really big one. So like it's gonna be a lot of people. So it's very nerve wracking, but I don't really have like stage fright or yeah, I just hope I know it's going to be a really cool event, so just gotta be chill. And it's time for a nice meditation. I haven't meditated in a couple of days. Actually, I meditated 2 days ago. 2 days ago, I meditated. But it's a beautiful day today, so the sun is out. It's definitely a good time for meditating. I got an outfit ready. It took a while to figure out the outfit. Like I had a couple of different options, had like 3 different options. One was a little bit more the professional aspect, and then one was more chill, and this one's just more in between. Your white tee and some denim blue pants. I'm gonna wear my black Crocs. Got a slight stain, slight skeet mark. I don't know where that came from. That probably was there this whole time.
Think water will get it out?
Maybe. I mean, well, you probably need to be washed. These are also thrifty, guys. I thrifted these a while ago. Today we're gonna wear them. See you guys back when I'm dressed. Alright guys, this is the outfit. Typical Crocs. Hopefully people are not outdressing me there. This is my first time in this type of event and environment. So wish me luck. But next time you guys see me, I will be at the gallery. Alright. Can never keep white tee clean. I hope that from now until 5 that I manage to keep this shirt clean because I can never keep a white tee clean. Even worse when you're painting and then you're around charcoal and all these other mediums and stuff. too tired to do a debriefing tonight, so I'm gonna debrief you guys in the morning because it's late. I just got home, just got some food. I'm just gonna eat and watch a show. Tomorrow I'm gonna update you guys on the whole thing. Grand Rising, guys. Well, it's afternoon now, so it's always afternoon when I'm back on here talking. Just want to debrief you guys over the whole night. I got back and I was extremely tired. I was just too tired. I got back at around like 11, just rolled over, threw my phone and went to sleep. So you guys saw like the footage of how it was. It was so packed last night. Like, it was crazy, man. Well over 200-300 people there, I think, because it was 105 artists. No, it was like 93 artists alone. So on top of the juries and all that, like, it was a lot of people. It was really packed. A little too packed for my liking. Like, my social anxiety was just alarming. It was a lot, man. So how it went was from 5 to 7 was just for the artists, for all the artists and the juries and the, I think, like sponsors or something, sponsorships, I don't know. And then from 7 to 9 is when it's open to the public. I came in a little bit late because Houston traffic, it started to rain. It was just, yeah. Finally got there, I walked inside, they checked me in, and it was just like a whole new space for me. Like, they had hors d'oeuvres going on, they had the DJs and stuff. It was crazy. It was amazing. So many different types of artwork too. And I'll get into that a little bit later. Yeah, I went in and I seen my piece was already it was on the first wall at the end by the door. You guys got to see the layout. You guys seen the pictures. It was just like shocking for me. Like, usually I just see my pieces hanging up in my room, you know? Even the people that I sold my artwork to, I don't get pictures back on how they're gonna decor it. Like, a lot of them are like, oh yeah, I'm gonna hang this up in my living room, or I can't wait, I'm gonna hang this up here. And like, they never send me pictures. So I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. I think they just don't want me to see the inside of their home. It was just really shocking to see my piece just hanging up for the first time in like a professional environment, a gallery, exhibition, whatever you want, art show, just in an art center alone, which is really cool. So I was just like ecstatic for that. I got to meet one of the juries who was jurying on who to be in the show. Miss Valerie, awesome. She's an amazing woman. Yeah, I got to meet a lot of the artists too. I don't do a lot of networking. I don't do a lot of like stuff in the art community. I'm very like introverted. So this was a really good first time. I don't know what I'm trying to say. First experience for a lot of things to test my networking skills and all that. Yeah, my networking skills, I'd say, was like 5 out of 10. Yeah, like a 5 out of 10. Like, bro, something like about just going up to people and just like start blabbering and stuff, just talking. No, that's just not me. I need help with that. I need someone just to be on the side of me, just to talk, because I can't do that. I mean, I'm not gonna say I can't, but I'm not in a comfortable spot to do that. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I could barely talk to you guys without tripping over my words. So just imagine, and I did do a lot of tripping over my words. There was this, we'll get into that. So my piece was downstairs. There was 2 levels. I went upstairs. There was a lot more artwork. And then at around 7, when it was public for everyone to come in, family, friends, people, you know, just a lot of people were there. I was upstairs at the time. And one of my friends, Sheila, you guys met her in one of my previous lives. Not previous lives. You guys met her in one of my previous vlogs. She showed up with a lot of her friends, which is really awesome, and so grateful that they were able to come. It told me when she came in that there were like so many people just standing there looking at my piece, you know, just like admiring it and stuff. But I was upstairs at the time, and she was like, you got to go down there and take pictures. And you know, I went down, took some pictures, seen some people that were just like, you know, just staring at it, you know, the same way I would when I'm looking at an art piece that I'm just like starstruck by. I'm like just staring at it. Yeah, it's awesome. It was really cool to see other people really just like look at the work and like break it down, you know, like, because we all see things differently. So I just imagine what they're like interpreting that word, this word. I can just imagine what they're doing when they're looking at it. So I got to meet a lot of like network people. I got to meet a lot of people that were like really in the business of art. This one guy that I actually follow on Instagram. His name is Olu. This is one of his artworks. He's freaking awesome. And we chatted up and stuff, and um, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna follow you on Instagram. And I was like, wait, I think I follow you on Instagram. And then we took out our phones, searched him up, and I already followed him. And this morning he had just followed me back. So it was really cool. And he's like, you're doing so awesome. Just being here alone is just it's really big, you know? I don't think I actually grasped how big that last night was. Like even Sheila, like the whole night she was telling me like you should be so proud. Like she was telling her friends, I don't think he knows how big this is. And I was like, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's slowly dawning on me how awesome that moment is. I mean, how big that opportunity was. It's gonna be up there until August. So if you guys are in Houston, you wanna go check out my artwork and a whole bunch of other cool artists. It's at Lawndale Art Center. I think they're open from 11 to 4 or 11 to 5 p.m. You get to a point where you're walking around, you're looking around, and you're like, okay, I've been here since 5. I kind of got it. I don't have to stay till 9, but like I'm one of the artists here. I would like to stay till 9, you know? So you just standing around, you go upstairs, you go downstairs, you walk around, you talk to people, this and that. Go upstairs, go downstairs, go around, you talk to people, this and that. You do it over and over. And then after a while, you just stand there and you're like, and that was me. And then it's even more awkward standing there and there's a whole bunch of people that's just like walking around. It was a little awkward for me. That's my own little thing I got to deal with. Social anxiety aspect. But yeah, it was an amazing event. If I had to rate the whole event out of 10, like 10 out of 10, you know, 10 out of 10. I can like officially say I've been in the Lawndale Gallery. That's a cool title to have. Almost spoiled something. I can't say that yet. You guys are gonna see that. I've been holding it, cliffhanging you guys with that. But the video is gonna come soon where I reveal a really cool opportunity that I've got. I'm trying to say a lot without saying too much. And you guys are gonna see that whole vlog. It's gonna be so awesome. I can't wait. I'm really excited. Some of the people's artwork I actually knew. Like some of them I follow on Instagram. Some of them I've met before. Some of them are friends of someone I know. So that's really cool to even like, you know, just know some of these people. Some of them I actually talk to, and actually building relationships with and stuff. So it's really awesome. I met a really cool woman there. Her name is Mia. Really awesome woman. She made a piece. It was upstairs, and she had like a veil on, and it was like these flowers. It was really awesome. And the backstory behind it was really amazing. It was really dope. And I talk about the backstory of pieces a lot because it really does something. When you know the story behind the piece, it's no longer an art piece. It's the artist's artwork. It's the artist's piece. I think a lot of times in this art industry, people that observe us as artists, they separate the art from the artist a lot. Like, yeah, they give credit to the artist, but they like, oh, this is the main attraction. It is, but that's what was created from a being that experienced something, you know, that was inspired by something. I was inspired to create this. Me. It didn't just create itself. So knowing her backstory behind the piece, it really puts more eyes and awareness towards a piece of artwork. You understand it so much more. It's like taking off the rose-colored glasses, you know, because you no longer see the prettiness in it. You see, oh, there's flaws in this. There's there's more to this than just a perfect painting. And that's raw. That's the realness of art that a lot of that gets overlooked in the community, or as artists. They don't see the hours we put in, the blood, sweat, and tears that we put in. They don't see the sacrifices. They don't see the expression that we truly put in. It's a lot, you know. So I really wish all those pieces were able to tell backstories, like on the labels that was next to them. But it just said our name and what medium it is and stuff like that. But I really wish we were able to write like a summary of what that piece really meant and stuff, because it just holds so much more weight. But anyways, thank you guys so much, so much for being on me with this, for being here on this journey with me. A lot of you guys have been here since I did my first live stream of Kurt Cobain with charcoal, when I only had 2,000 subscribers. Now we're here at 12,000 subs with long form videos and cool portraits and awesome artworks and all types of cool stuff. So thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's gonna be many more to come, many more exhibitions I'm gonna be entering, and you guys are gonna watch me just grow as an artist. You guys are watching me unfold my artist career. So see you guys next time. Peace, love, and creativity.